When decorating your home with exterior Christmas lights, it is important to align the display with your home's architectural style. Victorian homes can handle extravagance, while ranch-style homes typically require lights along the roofline and walkways. Seek inspiration from neighbors or online resources, but always ensure your display complements the neighborhood aesthetic. Before beginning, always examine all light strings for damage and locate suitable outdoor power sources using appropriate exterior extension cords. For installation, utilize a sturdy ladder and consider having a helper prioritizing safety by limiting reaching and moving the ladder as needed. Install non-metallic fasteners first to easily secure the lights, and when hanging, connect no more than 3 sets of lights end to end to prevent overloads and fire hazards. Finally, step back to check your work for uniformity and consider decorating other elements like columns by combining lights with holiday garland.